If your cleaning cloth becomes too wet during polishing, stop and address the moisture immediately to prevent streaks and residue. Polishing requires controlled moisture to lift dirt without leaving a film, so start by folding the cloth to expose a dry layer and continue polishing with light, circular motions. If the cloth feels cool or heavy, it is likely saturated and you should swap it for a fresh, dry cloth to maintain finish clarity. Use 2 cloths when possible, one for application and one for buffing, and keep one towel dedicated to drying so you do not reintroduce water into the polished surface. For large surfaces, work in small sections so you can keep the cloth dry between passes, and if you are using a spray polish mist, only a fine, even veil to the surface rather than soaking the cloth. When polishing high gloss or dark finishes, check the surface from multiple angles under good light to catch any early streaking and immediately switch cloths if needed. Microfiber is best because it pile traps residue rather than spreading it, but remember that even microfiber will saturate, so monitor weight and texture with your fingers. Rinse and wring reusable cloths frequently when cleaning heavily soiled items, and let them dry completely before reuse to avoid residual buildup. Common mistakes start with continuing to use a damp cloth and creating streaks, which you fix by pausing and switching to the dry side or a fresh cloth before the polish sets. Another issue is over-applying polish, which leaves residue even with a dry cloth. So always apply polish in thin layers and buff thoroughly until the surface feels smooth and dry. A third concern is using a single cloth for multiple tasks, so contaminants transfer and dull finishes. Remedy that by assigning separate cloths for cleaning, polishing, and buffing, and by laundering them separately. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice related to tasks like polishing and tool management. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and contractors can find work.